Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Scratch Repair Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone dealing with scratched glass. Whether it's a minor blemish on your car's windshield or a more noticeable scratch on a window or mirror, these kits offer a convenient and cost-effective way to restore clarity. With easy-to-follow instructions and the right tools, you can often achieve professional-looking results without the expense of professional repair or replacement. Number 5. 3M39071 Scratch Removal System. This system is designed to eliminate minor paint scratches and scuffs on your vehicle. It's a simple solution to restore the appearance of your car, truck, or van. The system utilizes a three-step process to effectively remove scratches. It involves sanding, compounding, and polishing the damaged area. The kit includes everything you need to sand, compound, and polish the affected area. This comprehensive approach ensures a smooth and flawless finish. The kit is designed for ease of use, and it comes with all the necessary supplies. You don't need any special tools to achieve professional-looking results. With this kit, you can easily restore the flawless appearance of your vehicle. It's a cost-effective way to keep your car looking its best. What we like. This kit uses a three-step process to remove scratches, making it easy for anyone to use. It's designed to restore the flawless appearance of your car's glass. If you're looking for a simple and effective solution to fix light scratches and scuffs on your vehicle, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to fix the scratches. The product is easy to use. It works well on light scratches. Number 4. TechDiamondTools Diamond Glass Polishing Compound Kit. Introducing the TechDiamondTools Diamond Polishing Compound Kit. This kit is designed to restore and polish various surfaces, making them look brand new. It's a versatile solution for all your polishing needs. This kit includes 3 10-gram syringes of industrial-quality diamond polishing paste. Each paste contains a 10% concentration of diamond powder, ensuring effective and efficient polishing. This ensures a professional finish. It's perfect for glass items like drinking glasses, windows, and jewelry. The kit is also suitable for various other materials. It's a great choice for both professional and DIY projects. Made in the USA, this compound ensures high quality and precision. It's designed for faster working and is safe for glass. You can trust it for sustainable results. Use it for watch polishing, mirror repair, and crystal restoration. It works on multiple materials, including glass, gemstones, and stainless steel. This kit is your go-to solution for a flawless shine. What we like. This kit offers industrial-grade diamond polishing compounds, perfect for various materials. It's made in the USA, ensuring high quality and precision. If you have multiple polishing needs, from glass to jewelry, and want a reliable, versatile solution, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to repair glass scratches. The product effectively removes scratches from glass surfaces. The repair process is straightforward and easy to follow. Number 3. 3M60150 Glass Polishing Compound. Introducing 3M60150, a bottled liquid compound. It's designed specifically for repairing defects and removing scratches. This product makes your glass look brand new. This compound can polish a variety of glass surfaces and parts. Using it is a simple, one-step process. It's easy to use and effective. The secret is the Cerium oxide mineral, which breaks down quickly. This ensures a bright, clear finish. You'll be amazed by the results. This formula contains no wax, chemical cleaners, fillers, or glazing oils. It's a pure polishing solution. You can trust it to be safe and effective. With this product, you can achieve professional results in one easy step. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to restore their glass surfaces. Try it today. What we like. This product offers a one-step polishing solution for assorted glass surfaces. The Cerium oxide mineral breaks down quickly, leaving a bright finish without any wax or fillers. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to remove defects and scratches, this is the product for you. What people say. I bumped up the speed on the polisher and did numerous crosshatch patterns over the scratches. I then started to see some results. It took me about 2 hours of polishing, but the scratches came out. My windshield looks better now than when I bought the car brand new. I just tested the 3M product on a small section of the windshield, and after 10 minutes it looks virtually new. All of the fine scratches are gone, and the polishing even removed most of the deep scratches along the trim which were caused by wet sanding the aluminum trim. Number 2. Gordon Glass Cerium Oxide Polishing Kit. This kit uses cerium oxide, a high-quality polishing compound. It can restore lightly scratched glass surfaces. It's like getting a brand new window. This kit is designed to remove fine scratches, scuff marks, and stubborn stains. It works on various glass types. You'll be amazed at the results. The kit includes 8 ounces of cerium oxide polishing powder. This is the key ingredient for effective scratch removal. It's a generous amount for multiple uses. The kit comes with a durable 3-inch felt polishing wheel. It can be used with any electric drill or grinder. This makes the process easy and efficient. The cerium oxide slurry can be left to dry and reused. Simply add water to reactivate it. It contains no zinc, making it safe and effective. Get professional quality results without the professional price tag. This kit saves you money compared to glass replacement. It's the smart choice. What we like. This kit uses high-quality cerium oxide to restore lightly scratched glass. It comes with a durable felt polishing wheel for easy application. If you like a professional-grade result and want to save money compared to glass replacement, you should consider this kit. What people say. After about 20 minutes of polishing, the scratches were all gone. The kit came with the powder and the buffing head. Number 1. Glass Polish 5-inch Pro Glass Scratch Removal Kit. Introducing the Glass Polish Pro Kit. This professional-grade system is designed for restoring glass to its original condition. It's fast and effective, making it ideal for various glass surfaces. This kit is compatible with 5/8 to 11 thread rotary polishers. You can easily attach it to your polisher and start the restoration process. It's a convenient solution for removing scratches. The Glass Polish Pro Kit resurfaces glass to factory-like clarity and smoothness. It effectively removes imperfections, leaving the glass looking brand new. This kit provides a complete restoration solution. This kit removes scratches, grinder welder splatter, graffiti, and acid etching. It's designed to tackle a wide range of damages. The kit is a versatile solution for various glass issues. It works safely on windscreens, automotive glass, laminated, tempered, mirrors, and more. The kit is designed for a variety of glass types. You can use it with confidence on different surfaces. The kit includes clear, detailed multilingual instructions with images. The guide helps you through the process. It ensures you achieve the best results. The 125mm, 5-inch, diameter is designed for small to large damaged areas. This size allows for effective coverage. It's suitable for various repair needs. What we like. This is a professional-grade glass restoration system. It effectively removes scratches, graffiti, and water damage, restoring glass to its original condition. It comes with a clear step-by-step guide. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for professional-level glass polishing, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit saved my bacon. This system works. I was able to do the entire top of this case, about 2 feet by 5 feet, starting with the deepest scratches and moving outward. The glass came out extremely clear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.